In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from QuickBooks. If you've ever found yourself a bit puzzled by the steps involved in managing your finances through this software, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in navigating and completing a withdrawal with ease. First things first, let's open QuickBooks on your device and log into your account. This initial step is straightforward yet crucial, as accessing your financial data requires the correct credentials to ensure everything proceeds smoothly and securely. Enter your username and password when prompted, then let's move on to the next step. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Create. It's a part of QuickBooks' streamlined user interface designed to enhance productivity. Clicking this will open up a menu of various options, all related to the tasks you can perform. From this menu, select Expense. This option is key because it navigates you to the section where you can categorize and manage the financial transactions related to your business expenses. It's also where you'll start the process of withdrawing funds. Now, you'll need to specify how you're going to make the payment. When you click Expense, a form will appear, guiding you through entering the necessary transaction information. Under the Payment Method section, make a selection based on your preferences and the methods available to you, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or possibly even a third-party service linked to your account. Next, focus your attention on selecting the category. This step is all about organization, ensuring that your financial records stay tidy and easy to track. Choose a category that best fits the type of transaction you're processing. Doing so not only helps in reporting, but also in understanding and analyzing your business's financial health over time. As we move forward, you'll need to input the necessary details like the payee information, the account from which funds will be withdrawn, and the date of the transaction. These details are paramount to ensure accurate recording and tracking of your financial activities. Once you've thoroughly checked all the details, it's time to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be precise, as the sums used here will directly affect your account balances and subsequent financial reporting. Double-check your entry to avoid any discrepancies. After completing all the fields and verifying that everything is correct, you're ready to finalize the transaction. Do this by clicking on Save and Close. This action commits the withdrawal to your records, ensuring that your QuickBooks account reflects the transaction accurately for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from QuickBooks. Remember, each time you perform this task, these steps will become more familiar, furthering your confidence in managing your business finances with QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.